battery saving tips and tricks in Android. So if you want to save your battery in your Android device, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open it up, now you need to scroll down, go with battery option, and here you will have battery saver option. Simply turn on your battery saver. Once you turned it on, now go with the charging settings, and under that tap on optimized battery charging and turn this on. Once you turn this on, then it will intelligently pause and resume the charging based on your nighttime charging or long-term charging habits. And after that, you need to go back and scroll all the way down in your settings and go with about phone. And under phone, now you just need to simply go with the software information, and here you will have your build number, right? You just need to simply tap on your build number for 7 times. Once you tap on it, you will get a notification that you are a developer. After that, your developer options will be turned on. So go with system, go with developer options, and make sure it is turned on. And now you need to scroll all the way down to background process limit. So search for background process limit, and then you can choose at most 2 processes. And after that, remove this and go with the navigation, which is on the upper side. And now you need to go with adaptive brightness, which is here on the right side. Tap on the A and it will automatically fix your brightness. And the next thing you need to do is turn on your dark theme, and that's it. That's how you can save your battery. Like, these are the battery saving tips and tricks in your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.